I finally found a flat in Manchester that I could actually afford. It was cheap, sure, but the lights were always dim, no matter how many bulbs I changed. There was just this heavy feeling about the place. I tried to ignore it. Then, the night started. Every single night, right at 3 a.m., it began. A slow, rhythmic breathing sound. It wasn't just a draft or the pipes. It was deep and heavy, like someone was right there, inside the walls. After a week of sleepless nights, my fear turned into a desperate need for answers. I grabbed a crowbar from my toolbox and started tearing at the faded wallpaper, prying away the plaster. As a dark hole opened up, a cold gust of air hit me, and from the corner of my eye, a shadow in the room moved impossibly fast.